Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today, I am going to take a class with the students of class 3. With the students of class 3, our today's subject is English language. Today, we will do spelling set 1 and 3. We will do from this book. Okay, now come to our today's lesson. First, we will do set 1. It is said in number A. Read the word lists very carefully and learn the way the words are spelled well. That means we have to learn how the words are spelled well. Now come. First see here the first word filled. Filled. F-I-E-L-D filled. Chief. C-H-I-E-F chief. C-H-I-E-F chief. Believe. Believe. B-E-L-I-E-V-E believe. Okay, so there are 3 syllables. Then grief. Grief. G-R-I-E-F grief. Next, mischief. Mischief. M-I-S miss. C-H-I-E-F chief. Mischief. Thief. T-H-I-E-F thief. Then holiday. Holiday. H-O-L-I-D-A-Y holiday. Seaside. Seaside. S-E-S-C-S-I-D-E side. Seaside. Front. F-R-O-N-T front. Visitors. Visitors. V-I-S-I-T-O-R-S visitors. Pebbles. P-E-B-B-L-E-S pebbles. Pebbles. Shingle. S-H-I-N-G-L-E shingle. Amusements. Amusements. A-M-U-S-E muse. M-E-N-T-S ments. Amusements. Listen. L-I-S-T-E-N listen. Art. E-A-R-T-H art. Easily. E-A-S-I-L-Y easily. Exercise. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E exercise. Already. A-L-R-E-A-T-Y already. Creature. Creature. C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E creature. Great. G-R-E-A-T great. Break down. B-R-E-A-K break. D-O-W-N down. Break down. Where. W-H-E-R-E where. Because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E because. But. B-A-T-H but. Useful. U-S-E-F-U-L useful. Bridge. Bridge. There is only one syllable. Bridge. B-R-I-D-G-E bridge. Now we have to do number B. Fill in the blanks with appropriate missing letters. We have to find out the appropriate missing letters. Number 1. I am going to have a dash. So what will be there? There will be but. Because B dash T-H is given. So there will be A. B-A-T-H but. Number 2. We must hurry. Dash we are late. B-E-C dash dash S-E because. Here will be because. So we have to write because. A-U. B-E-C-A-U-S-E because. Number 3. It was a dash surprise. It was a great surprise. G-R-E-A-T great. Then number 4. You must dash carefully. You must listen carefully. Listen. Here it will be T-E-N. L-I-S-T-E-N listen. Then number 5. Don't get into dash. Don't get into mischief. M-I-S-C-H-I-E-F CHIEF, mischief. Number 6. It is dash time to go home. It is already, ALREADY. It is already time to go home. Number 7. Goats are useful dash. Useful creatures. Creatures. So the spelling will be CREATURES. There is 2 blanks, but there will be 3 letters. There will be 3 letters. Creatures. Then number 8. There are plenty of dash. Plenty of amusements. Amusements. AMUSE. Amusements. MENTS. Ments. Amusements. Number 9. The dash is round. The art is round. Art. EARTH. Art. Number 10. A dash stole money. Who stole money? A thief stole money. So what is the spelling? THIEF. Thief. A thief stole money. Now come number C. Read the sentences very carefully and fill in the blanks with the information which are hidden in the sentences. That means here we have the informations. Reading these informations, we have to fill up the blanks. Number 1. Sorrow or sadness. What is it called? Grief. 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 Then number 2. For walks by the sea. Here is given wrong information. At night will be cut here. For walks by the sea. So by the sea, where we walk? In the front. 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 Number 3. Include roundabouts and swings. What do we do with the roundabouts and swings? We get amusements. So there will be amusements. 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 Number 4. Drivers hate this. What does the driver hate? They hate the breakdowns. BREAKDOWNS. Downs. Breakdowns. Number 5. Crosses a railway or river. What crosses a railway or river? Bridge. So the spelling will be bridge. 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 It will be bridge. Okay. So in set 1 we have learned this. Now come to set 3. In number set 3 again we will do number A, and here again it is asked that read the word list very carefully and learn the way the words are spelled well. Okay, now come, we will spell. Number 1, learn. 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 Next, early. 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 Hard. HEARD. Hard. Pearl. 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 Search. 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 Arm. EARN. Arm. Signals. 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 Junction. 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 Whistle. 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 Carriage. CARIAGE. Carriage. Compartment. COMPART. Part. MENT. Compartment. Guard. 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 Locomotive. 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 Thorough. 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 Somewhere. SOME. Some. WHERE. Where. Somewhere. Which. 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 Yesterday. 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 Sharpness. SHARP. Sharp. NESS. Sharpness. Cushion. 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 receive, receive, receive. Chief, chief, chief. There, their, there. Language, language, language. Another, another. Another. Mosque, mosque, mosque. Already, already, already. So all these are the words we have to spell and we have to learn the spellings. Now number B will be your SW. For set 3, number B, this will be your SW number 7. You will write the correct spellings of the word and you will choose the correct letters for the missing letters. Okay, you will choose the correct appropriate with the appropriate letters. You must fill up the blanks and you will do the SW from number 1 to 10. You can write only the answer. That means you can write only the words where the letters are missing. Okay, now we will do number C. Here it is asked, read the sentences very carefully and fill in the blanks with the information which are hidden in the sentences. That means there are the information given and we have to find out the correct missing letters. Okay, let us start. Number 1, it is said, always be this for school. So what should we do for the school? Always, what should we do? We should always come to school early because we love our school. So EARLY, early. Next, number 2, where the lines meet, it is called junction. JUNC, TION, shun, junction. Number 3, part of a railway carriage. What is that? Compartment. That will be compartment. Part, P-A-R-T, partment, M-E-N-T, ment, compartment. Okay, now come number 4, railway engine. What is it called? It is called locomotive. LOCOMOTIVE, locomotive. Then number 5, Muslim place of worship. What is that? Mosque. Mosque, M-O-S-Q-U-E, mosque, M-O-S-Q-U-E. Okay, my dear students, this is all for our today's class. So you must practice all the spellings very well at your home. Stay well, stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.